How to fix slow internet issues on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimul from AppGuide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix a slow internet speed on your Windows. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to fix a slow internet issue, what you want to do is first of all, we're going to check apps that are running in the background and consuming our network. So right click from the taskbar icon and then go to the option called Task Manager. Once you come to Task Manager, you'll see all these options. On the left hand side of the panel, you want to simply switch to the Performance tab, and once you switch to the Performance tab, click on the three dots from the top right hand side and then choose the option called Resource Monitor. Once you go to open Resource Monitor over here, you want to simply expand the menu called Processors with Network Activity. Here you'll be able to see all of the applications that are currently using your network, such as VPN service, you have a Google Chrome browser, you have the images and so on. You simply want to make sure to end the task of these processes such as Chrome and ExpressVPN and so on. So you can do so by coming back to your Processors tab application, and over here you can simply search for the background applications that are actually consuming networks as well as your battery in the background. The other thing you can try to do is to simply try to update your network adapters. So in order to do that, first of all, open the search menu and then go to Device Manager. Once you go to Device Manager section, over here you simply want to look for the option called Network Adapters. So let me also go ahead and do that respectively. Here just go to the option called Network Adapters and then choose the network adapter that you would like to update. Just right click on it, choose the option called Update Driver, search automatically for drivers and then close it, and also try to simply update any of the other drivers that are on this list. Hopefully this video helps you as to how you can actually change and increase your slow internet connection on Windows. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.